Exoskeleton. Okay. Hi, I'm Aidan Silvestrich, and this is my latest project. I've been working on it for about a month, and I feel like it's going pretty well so far. But let's get into the actual build. The shoulder bar. Universal joint, half-inch interior box tube. I have this being able to pivot, so this is an actuator, being able to pivot, hooked into a 3/8 inch socket, ratchet, universal joint. And that's welded onto this piece, okay? So that controls this movement. I have this one on the back, which controls forward and back movement. Yeah, it does. Anyway, the only thing that this doesn't let you do is rotate this way. So we have the shoulder bar, then we have this welded piece, which obviously leads up to this, and then we have a support beam coming off the other piece that sticks off the back, and then this rotates this way, and it allows the actuator to rotate up and down, just like this left arm. And that is because, pay attention to this, the actuator right here, or the movement, it moves side to side and up and down. So that was important. That's what I've gotten done so far. I have the second arm, obviously. I'm going to show this arm. We have biceps, so tricep, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's biceps or triceps, but it's for curling. It's a curling motion, and that already has this welded on, so that would like clip in. So I have a couple things to do in this video. I'm going to be welding on this piece that wraps around that attaches to this, so I'm going to weld that on. And that's going to be the only build in this video, because this video is more like touching up on what I've done, and then I'm going to have like updates on parts of the project. At the end of this project, I'm going to have like a video specifically just explaining like all the joints and how it works. So I'm not going to go into too much depth of how this thing works, like the mechanics of it. It's going to be more just like build videos. Alright, I am pretty excited. This was my first video. I hope to continue it next video I'm going to weld on, or weld part of on the support that's going to run down my back, like the spine.